How to log out account on Gate.io. Are guys facing issues to log out your account on Gate.io application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Gate.io on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Gate.io on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now look at the top left corner of your screen, where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now again click on your profile name. You'll be provided with multiple options. Just look at the last option, tap on Logout. Now again click on Logout. As soon as you hit the Logout button, your account will be instantly logged out from the application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna log out our account and Gate.io application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one.